In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to create a high converting product slider for your WooCommerce store without spending any money on premium plugins. Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned WordPress user, this method is easy to follow and require no coding skill. Alright, navigate to the screen. As you can see, this is my e-commerce website where I want to add a standing product slider with Elementor free add-on. So very first we have to install the add-on. That's why go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, then click over here add plugin. Alright, from the right side top, as you can see, search plugins. Just you have to search the plugin name from here that you want to install. In this tutorial, I want to install and use Shop Builder add-on. So type here Shop Builder. That's great. This is the Shop Builder, WooCommerce builder for Elementor, which is completely free. Click over here, install now. Then hit on activate. That's great. After install and activated the Shop Builder add-on, you will be redirected to this area, and this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, a new option is added in left side menu, Shop Builder. If I hover on it, then it shows template builder and settings. Very fast, I have to configure the add-on, so click over here settings. Alright, and this is the Shop Builder settings panel. As you can see, it has some settings tab. Just you have to navigate to the Elementor widgets tab, so click over here Elementor widgets. Okay, scroll down and check here is the product slider. Alright, and as you can see, this is the product slider layout. Just you have to click this toggle button and enable it. As you can see, this is already enabled. If you can see it disabled, just you have to click over here and enable it. Alright, now go to the website. Alright, this is my e-commerce website, and where I want to add product slider. So I have to edit this page with Elementor. So click over here edit with Elementor. Alright, this is my e-commerce website where I want to add product slider. Okay, so I have to edit this page with Elementor. So click here edit with Elementor. That's great. This is the Elementor editor. Just scroll down and take in this section. Like I want to add the product slider here, so click this plus sign and take in a section. Okay, again click here flexbox. Okay, then you can search the slider name from here or check where is the Shop Builder. As you can see, it shows very fast. Maybe it can show for you like middle or very bottom of this section. Okay, so just check where is the Shop Builder. This is the Shop Builder, and check product slider layout. This is the product slider layout. Just drag and drop here. That's great. As you can see, it works perfectly. Now you can change the layout and you can redesign it. So click this pencil icon, and then from the left side top, as you can see layout, if you want, then you can change the layout from here. I want to keep like a very fast layout. Then scroll down, then you can see layout default. I want to give here like 3 column. Okay, so I can give here like 3 column. That's great. If you want, then you can change it from here. I want to give like 3 column. Scroll down, and if you want, then you can change it from here like query. Click here, and if you want, then you can give any specific category. Okay, I want to keep it as default, then it will show randomly. Okay, then navigate to the next tab, settings, and this is the show product title. It's perfect. If you want, then you can show the product description from here. Actually, I want to keep it as default. Then the slider settings, which is very important. Navigation arrows, as you can see, this is the navigation arrow. If you want, then you can disable from here. I want to keep it activate. Okay, so click and enable this toggle button. Then the navigation arrow will show here. Okay, then the navigation arrows position, if you want, then you can change the position. Currently it shows in middle. If you want, then you can show it like top or bottom. I think middle is perfect for the slider. Okay, then scroll down, and if you want, then you can change this icon like left arrow icon and right arrow icon. I want to keep it as it. Okay, then the dot pagination, this is the dot pagination. If you want, then you can disable from here. I want to enable it. And the dynamic pagination, click here. Okay, as you can see, the style has been changed and I think it's quite better. Okay, so I want to keep it as activate, like dynamic pagination. Okay, infinite loop, definitely I want to enable it. Then the auto height, then the image lazy load, I don't want to use it. Okay, then the speed, if you want, then you can change it from here. Then the autoplay is perfect. Then the product image, as you can see, if you want, then you can change the product size. Click here and like I want to give the large size. Okay, large size, that's great. As you can see, it works perfectly. So if you want, then you can change the size from here. Okay, also you can change the image hover animation. As you can see, this is the zoom in. If you want, then you can set it like zoom out. Okay, so in this way you can add this type of standing product slider in your e-commerce store. Again, scroll up and navigate to the next step, style. If you want, then you can change the color from here. Then the image style and the layout design, okay, you can change it from here. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos on WordPress.